All Sleep and Beyond products are really great for people with allergies that are looking for alternatives to polyester and other synthetic fibers. Wool is healthy. Next, I wanted to share something pretty cool. It's called myDual pad. Now this is great, and it's called dual because it is reversible. On this side, we have the wool and cotton quilted side, and this is great for your summer months, your warmer months. And then on this side, we have the fleece side, and this is great for your winter months. It has these elastics that you will attach around the mattress, and that just keeps it in place. This is obviously in crib size, so perfect for my little one. Now the great thing about this is that it's actually 1 inch thick, and that creates a certain amount of spring and support and comfort for little one as he's lying on top of it. Now the myDual pad is machine washable, so it is easy to maintain, and so it should last you quite a long time. Now you know Louise is a designer, and so she's obviously always looking for things that have an aesthetic appeal to them as well, and I think this just looks wonderful on top of a mattress. It does give that nice warm cozy feeling that sometimes you want to see in your interior decorating. This sells for about $139, so go check out their website and see what sizes they have available for you.